Yeah, the off-season prep's been good. Been out here at the farm, been enjoying it. Dirt's nice here, so yeah. With Max, Hayden, you know, they're quick on the bike, so you know, trying to keep up with them and like pushing myself. So it's been really good having them. Also having like a big team just to break the tracks down. The tracks get real gnarly during the day, so yeah, it's been real good. Yeah, he's definitely been helpful, just like little questions about line choices and stuff like that just during the day. And yeah, especially Max, he helps me out a little bit, and yeah, just really helpful team and stuff like that, and just enjoying every bit of it. My biggest competition will probably be honestly myself, just believing in myself, knowing I can do what I want to do and go achieve some good things this year. I'm excited to go prove to everyone what I can do. He doesn't really, I just try to focus on myself. He's always got something to say, but I mean, just he wants to win just as much as I do, and yeah, I'm just happy to go ride my dirt bike out there. It's just having fun. I just try block it out, just focus on myself, because it's pretty gnarly having all those people, and it's millions and stuff like that, even on TV and stuff like that. So I just try to block it out and focus on myself.